Hi, baby.
Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy.
We're getting ready to take Stella and Jessica back to Salem. We're going to go and visit with Laura and hang out. Hi, Stella. What you doing? She's been teething and she's had some cold and stuff here lately.
Yeah? Yeah?
What you doing, Stella?
It's my only word.
Hey, Tink Tink. Oh, she's teething. She's not feeling good. Say bye-bye, Stella. Say bye-bye. 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 Yep, she's doing it with her hand. Bye-bye.